Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how you can mirror your phone on your PC. And what you're going to do is, the first thing you're going to do is, your phone must be set to developer mode. Now, how do you do this? Just kindly go to your settings on your device, then search for, look for my phone. This is where I have it on my phone. So I don't know where you can have it on your own phone, but I have it on your phone. Just ensure that you locate where you have your build number. Now, this is your build number. What you're going to do is, you're going to tap on it 7 times. My own is already on builder mode, but I want to show you how you can do it. Just tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see, my own said no need, you are already a developer. Now, your own will tell you that you are already a developer. Now, congratulations, you have gotten the first part of it. Now, the next thing you're going to do is kindly go to your settings again. You are going to look for system. Now, on the system, just go down and look for developer option. You are going to do three things on that developer option. The first thing you're going to do is, at the top where you have your use developer option, ensure that it is on. I have off my own. I want to on it back. Ensure that it is on like this. Click on OK. Ensure it is on like this. Now, the second thing you are going to do is stay awake. You are going to click on that stay awake button. Ensure it is also on. Now, the third thing you're going to do is, you will go to your USB debugging and ensure that the USB debugging is also on. Bam. Click on OK. Now you have done the first part of it. Now after that, you are going back to your PC in order to conclude with your mirroring setup on your PC. So I'm going to take you on the second part of it. Thank you very much for watching.
CR, can you see CPY? So just click on the download. Once you click on the download, click on the first pop-up on your SCRP, your search engine result page, and click on download. Just click on download. Once you click on download, this is download, click on it. Once you click on download, the next thing you're going to do is, you are going to go down. You are going to see two options, which is for Windows 64-bit and Windows 32-bit. Just click. Don't forget that it works only with Windows. It works with Windows computer. Now, ensure you click on the one you are using, either 64-bit or 32-bit. So my own is 64-bit. I will click on it and download it. Once I download it, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my download folder. Once I get to my download folder, I will click on it and search for where it is being downloaded. I'm going to search for where it is being downloaded on my download folder. Now let me search for it. I have it somewhere around here. I have downloaded it before. I have it somewhere around here. Ensure you have your PC connected to an internet. Let it have access to internet. Can you see? This is it here. This is the downloaded one. I extracted it to give me this one. What you are going to do to extract it is just right click and it will ask you to extract all. Can you see it here? Extract all. Once you extract it all, it's going to extract it to the same place. Don't select where you are going to extract it. Don't select it from here. Can you see where this cursor is? Don't select it. Just leave it like that and it will be extracted at the bottom of this one that is not extracted. Now click on the extracted one. Once you click on the extracted one, click it again. Once you click it again, then you are going to see it here. You see this SCRCPY. Just double tap on it. Once you double tap on it, just ensure that your USB and your phone is connected to your laptop or your desktop computer. Just ensure it is connected and ensure that it is on developer mode. Now it will see it instantly. Can you see? It will see it instantly. This is it here. Now you can view your mobile phone device on your PC. Now can you see? This is it. So I can do anything in this place. Can you see? So I can do anything in this place. So I can scroll through my PC. I can scroll through my phone from my PC directly. So can you see? So now we have achieved what we want to achieve. In case you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Don't hesitate to drop your comment. In case you don't know how to navigate it, I'm going to give you text direction, instruction on how to do it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload content like this, you can have access to them directly on your device. And do not forget to share with your friends, even your enemies, because this might be useful to someone, because it saves you from a lot of stress once you can connect your phone to your PC directly. Thank you very much. I will not hesitate to upload good content like this so as to educate African and the entire global world on valuable content like this. Thank you very much.